Hey guys, Nick Ricky here, Tech Master below. Um, I got a few messages talking about heat sinks, and so I'm gonna be talking about the heatsink today. What the heatsink is that processors, they can get very hot, and heatsinks are their fan. Um, for a bigger or more cores that a processor has, the bigger the heatsink's gonna be. Um, the if like my processor is 3.2 gigahertz, and that's why this thing is huge. If it's just like 1 point maybe 8-9 gigahertz, it'll be like that big. It's pretty small. So for bigger ones that get more hot, etc., they have the big ones. This is kind of an old one. Yeah, it was cheap, but it's really reliant. I don't exactly know what brand it is. It's Dell. But I love it. It hasn't crapped out on me before, so I'm really reliant on it. Heatsinks, they usually come with your processor. Like on Newegg.com, down at the bottom it'll say something. I think it says cooling system. Yeah, it says cooling system, and click cooling system slash heatsink included, something like that. I don't have it up, so. And when you buy a heatsink, or when you open it up when it comes with your processor, it comes with this little tube of kind of grease. I call it thermal grease. But what it does, it heat from your processor rises to the top, because as you learn in science when you're my age, heat rises up. So the heatsink's on top, of course, and the heat gets absorbed into the thermal grease, which is that stuff. And whenever you see me messing with the processor or the heatsink, and I touch something and I go like that on a chair, it's because I got some of it on me, and it just bugs the hell out of me. Sorry, heck. It's pretty much all it is. It's just it's just a heat absorbent. That's all it is. But usual heat sinks, the nice ones, they run probably maybe about, I want to say, 20 to 30 bucks, maybe 40. They're fairly cheap, and they're really reliant. You usually want to go for a Dell. That's my opinion. Not really. Dell would be my second choice. I'd go with an AMD one first. And if you buy a processor, you always want to go with a heatsink in it anyway. So yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching this little 3-minute tutorial. Peace. Hey guys, Nick Ricky here. I just wanted to tell you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechMaster00, just so you get all of the updates when I post a new tutorial or video, and please watch them in high definition so you get the greatest experience out of them. Thanks. See you later.